Okay, so some of this stuff I had already opened, and it's the Amazon box. Yes, everything from Amazon, so I'm just say that right now. Everything that I got is from Amazon, and everything haven't came in yet. So please, y'all, and I haven't even said the brand name yet, but stay tuned definitely for the next video, because the next video is going to be more in-depth, and it's going to be talking about more so what I'm going to be selling, because I'm going to be selling like lip gloss, lashes, girl, a lot of stuff, like accessories and everything. But stay tuned for the name next entrepreneur video, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But anyways, I'm going to start with this. I got some yellow bubble millers, and this is like 8.5 times 12, I guess, inches. So this yellow, I'm gonna take it out so y'all can see. Some of this stuff, I ain't gonna lie, I had already opened the boxes. I was just being so thirsty because I'm so excited. Like, I just hurry up and open it. I was too thirsty to wait until I got on camera to open it. And Jesus, y'all, these nails are annoying. I can't even open them because my nails are. But I know y'all see me struggling. Okay. So these how the bubble millers look. I got these actually off Amazon. It's real like a regular. Regular, you know, bubble miller. I guess I got those off Amazon. So if you want to purchase those, I'm gonna have the link down below. And I also got the matte black. What size is this? 48-inch, I guess. 50-pack bubble millers off Amazon. And these more so the smaller ones. Yes, y'all. Bubble millers, real small, just for like the lashes, or just any small packages that I'm gonna get, like small orders I'm gonna get, I'm gonna package them in there. And I'm getting like stickers and everything, so y'all, this is just bear with me, this is just the first episode, entrepreneur. I'm sorry y'all, I had opened all this because I just wanted to make sure that I got the right stuff, you know. So I got these squeeze tools. I got these squeeze tools. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is like 10 ml squeeze tools. Don't worry about it, y'all. I'm gonna sanitize all of them. And I got these off Amazon. This was like 12 pack. No, these 30 pieces, but like, yeah, I'm slow. I ain't gonna lie. Too much slow, girl. Far from slow, but anyways, I got some more matte black bubble millers from Amazon, and yeah, I can't open this. Matter of fact, I got these off Amazon. What is even the dimension of these? These are 8.5 times 12 bubble millers. So if you're looking for some, I'm gonna show you how they look. I think they just the same as my yellow ones, if I'm not mistaken. This is just the yeah. The next one, the next video gonna be more so talking about my business and the name, because I'm gonna definitely next video I'm gonna be saying the name of my brand and the brand name and everything. I should be ready and stuff. Everything should be almost here, if not here right then. But I go to kind of a little larger size bubble millers. I'm really thinking about getting a different color, probably like a holographic one or something. But yeah, these are the big ones. I got these off Amazon. So these for my large packaging, because I'm gonna be selling like large, like stuff that can fit in here, like do-rags and like bonnets and stuff. So definitely if somebody ordered a big, like large stuff, then I'll just put it in here. I also got some pipettes. These are 100. I got 100 pipettes because I'm gonna use these for my oils, like lip glosses, and just other stuff. So I need pipettes, of course. And I got some syringes. These are the 60 ml syringe. I ain't gonna open it, but I'm gonna sanitize everything. So yeah. I'm sorry, like the camera over there, but like I'm looking over here. But yes, this is the syringes. I ordered a 4-pack. These are 4-pack, but I also got 2 of them. So definitely check these out if you find them in business. I also got these organza bags, if that's how you say organza. Yeah. I got these bags also off Amazon. These are white. And I really didn't even remember the dimension of these. I really want to say these are sorry y'all, I had wrote everything down. I think these are the, I want to say that, I really cannot, I want to say like 4x6. These got to be like 4x6. Like 4 and then by 6, I think. So I'm going to have the link below. So check that out. I'm trying to get these white organza bags. And y'all, ain't these just so fast? I just can't wait. I'm excited. But I got the white organza bag. I also got these on Amazon too. I got coconut oil, liquid coconut oil, castor oil. I have a small thing of castor oil. I think I'm gonna order a larger one, but yeah, I got the smaller one. And I got some avocado oil. I need to get some sweet avocado for my for my oils and stuff. I'm actually waiting for a lot of stuff to come, y'all. So this not even all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And I also got some, here we go. Got the sweet almond oil. I actually forgot that I actually had purchased this. Cause I sure was looking like, did I even get the sweet almond oil? I looked at this stuff, y'all, but I was really waiting to make a video. So definitely. Them the oils. I actually got one more oil. And I got the grapeseed oil for grapeseed. So I got those oils for my lip glosses and actually for my oils. Which I'm gonna get a larger one because I'm just starting off and I'm a small business, so I really didn't want to buy like a lot, like a big bulk of stuff first, and then don't use it or whatever. But I actually got these small black organza bags. I really don't know the size of this. Like, I'm not even good with that type of stuff. I don't even know what it's called. I think it's like the yellow, like this like 2.8, like, I don't know. But I'm gonna have the link below to the black organza bags. And then y'all, I also have got these lip masks. I'm gonna start selling these. I'm gonna not sell these individually, but I'm thinking about when you order, or the first 15 people that order from my site, or get a lip gloss or something, I'm gonna get this away to them. So these are cute, really a quick mask. So yeah, cute. And I also got these on Amazon. I think I got a whole like 100. I got 30. So I got 30 of these. So yeah. And I also got some more lip gloss tubes. I think these are 40. So this is a big bag. Yeah. It's 40 pieces, but I think it's 10 ml lip gloss tubes. If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna link it below. And I'm gonna sanitize everything that I get, because you know the COVID-19, everything. So you gotta make sure you sanitize all that. Oh yeah. I actually got this off Amazon too. But here's the lip gloss tubes. Y'all, I had did a little thing of how it looked. It wouldn't look exactly like, it wouldn't be packaged exactly like this. But that's why I got the small organza bags. And let me show y'all. The small lip gloss tubes I got. These, I probably make these as a sample. More so like sample wise, because, or just, yeah, maybe like sample the little lip glosses, because these are small. I'll sell these, but like they wouldn't get a lot of gloss. Like this is a lot of gloss, but it's not a lot of gloss. And I got the pencil ones. These are mostly like the sample. And I actually just did a little small little thing. Had a look like if he was, you know, it fits. Definitely. But yeah, I got 2 packs. So 10 in here, and then another 10 over here. Pencil and ice cream, small lip glosses. So yeah. And then I also got some mica powder. I got some mica powder. I actually got a lot. I got 24 right here. I got these off Amazon too. Everything that I have got from Amazon. So I got the dark purple, black. Y'all, like, I have different colors. Pearl, bronze. This is real cute. This is the powder color. Yeah, those are real cute. And if you sell lip glosses, sis, if you know or you about to sell lip glosses, you definitely need mica powder if you was gonna sell lip glosses. It just make the color, and look, they even got this pretty blue. Like, yes, you definitely need to go purchase them if you start thinking about starting lip glosses, selling lip glosses. This, I'm not even selling like just lip gloss. I'm gonna be selling other stuff. But yes, and then I got this also off Amazon. This is the sparkle glitter. I was thinking about this more so for my shimmering gloss and my crab glitter. It's my crab glitter. This is the color rose gold. If you see it, rose gold. And I got the pink one. I got the pink one. This is gonna be real cute. Like, I'm thinking this color with some like pink with like some rose petals and stuff in there. So yeah. And I'm trying to y'all see my skin? I got an oil serum coming out for my skin products, especially for like acne products and stuff like that, because I got a couple dark spots and I'm using it to see if it works. I mean, it's working because these were darker. So yeah. Okay, so these are the 2 chunky glitters that I have. 2 chunky glitters. Okay, so last but not least, I got my Cricut machine. And it looks like this. It's the mint green color. But yes, I got actually this Cricut machine. Y'all, I'm sorry, I had already opened it. But it came with this. And of course, But yes, this is cute. And it comes with instructions and the plugs and everything. So yes. So just this gonna be my first online business, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm getting everything in. I've been researching, doing a lot of stuff. I still have to go do a couple things, which I will be taking y'all along with me, but I just wanted y'all to see the small unboxing. The small unboxing. So yes. And make sure y'all stay tuned for this journey that I'm actually starting on my channel, The Entrepreneur. So yes. And if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, because I have some new subscribers I haven't even welcomed y'all. I should have welcomed y'all in the beginning, but I'm gonna do it now. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and comment below if you're new to my channel, because some of y'all don't be commenting and y'all don't be interacting with me when I make videos. So I definitely need some more feedback and I need some more interacting. So if you like this video, make sure you comment below and tell me what you liked about this video. And if you like the new content, because I'm coming up with a whole series of the entrepreneur life. So make sure you stay tuned and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.